What's up, guys? Welcome to the brand new YouTube channel for EVOLV, the premier PPF brand here in South Florida. Today, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little sneak peek as we are launching our new YouTube channel. I'm gonna give you a grand tour of what goes on in the building. We're gonna meet the CEO, Mattia, hear a little bit about his backstory, and we got a special treat. We have a pretty popular influencer in the area that's gonna be bringing one of her pretty dope sports cars that we're gonna be doing some custom work to pretty soon. But enough talk, let me show you what's going on. All right, so this is our marketing area. We have a couple people here hard at work, so I don't want to interrupt. But come this way, we'll come bug Mattia. So he's gonna be pretending he's working right now, but oh, there he is actually. We'll come talk to him in a little bit, but I'll introduce you. That's where all the graphics goes down. Let there be light. And if you need PPF, vinyl, or any other architectural material, this is your spot.
So, hey, my name is Mattia. Here at EVOLV, we start like 13 years ago in United States. We start mainly in the beginning with car wrap, and we came here really like a small brand. We develop a lot of special colors and made us different than other company and other brand. And most of the people that was choosing our product was for that reason, because we had the coolest colors that was around. 7 years ago, we see the potential of the PPF. We start to release our clear PPF in the beginning, and we start to develop the colors PPF. We saw that one a long time ago, like I said, 7 years ago. And 2 years ago, we released our first colors PPF. And now we are releasing 5 to 10 new colors every quarter. We are really focused in that direction. We're also going to release soon the printable PPF. That's going to be a big step forward for us. So 13 years ago, when I decided to move here in the United States, it was between Miami or Los Angeles. So I visited Miami for 1 week and Los Angeles for another week, and visiting customer and try to decide which market will be the perfect fit. And the first day that I wake up here in Miami, I say, okay, it has to be Miami. So the weather was perfect. The time with Italy, because our production is over there, so it was easy for us to communicate with Italy at the same time to communicate with the West Coast. So we decided to move our facility here in Miami. Of course, in the beginning it was really hard. So of course it was a completely different culture, different market. I was not speaking English, so it was definitely hard. I have some support from the customer here. It was tough. We were visiting one by one each customer, so it was really building everything from ground, from nothing, and also with a brand that nobody never here in the United States. So definitely was not an easy path, but you know, the good things, they are never easy. And of course, coming from a small town in Italy, but it's not even the main city. I'm coming from a small town close to the downtown. It's called Arcugnano. Coming from that to Miami, it was a big shock. Here is everything is different, everything is bigger, everything is faster. So at the beginning it was tough to keep up with the path here, but little by little we went through. After I would say after 3 or 4 years, where we start to see the first result, and we were able to big step for us was be able to have a booth at SEMA show. That now is kind of normal things because we have every year. But back then, be able to have our booth at SEMA show that is like more than 20 years that was going there as a visitor, be able to be there as a brand, it was a big step. Here we have our PPF binder. Like you see, it's different than a regular swatch book for the car wrap. The PPF, they are quite more expensive than regular curve wrap, so we decided to have a better presentation than regular curve wrap. On this binder, you can start from, you have a little presentation about our aftercare and the software for the cutting, and you're going to have all our clear PPF, gloss, satin, and matte, and the windshield PPF, that is a really good seller, and of course the headlights PPF. And after that, you have all our colors from the carbon fiber to, at the moment, we are like more than 85 colors. We are releasing minimum 5 to 10 new colors every quarter. And not even 2 years ago, we have a 0 color PPF. So it was a big step up. Some of the colors, they are good seller on the curve wrap. We are moving them color matching on the PPF line. We are a small company compared to our competitors, but usually the reason why our customer pick us is for the relationship that we're able to build with them, and also for the specialties that we bring as a product. We are really focused on these two aspects. So one is focused to build a relationship with the customers, solid. We help them to grow, and we love to be part of their growth. And the other thing we are really focused is on developing the colors to be before everybody else. We're also developing some special edition colors with Gumball. We have like some really cool ideas on the table. But wait a second. Yeah, it's a little bit, you're long enough, so maybe next time I'm going to show you something new.
All right, so this is a little field trip that we're taking in our very backyard here in Fort Lauderdale. This is H Greg Lux, home to one of the largest Porsche fleets in the United States. We're gonna go say hi to my friend Izzy and Ferris, and then we're gonna coordinate something a little top secret that has something to do with the Gumball, but I can't tell you quite yet. So come with me.
Hi, I'm Izzy with H Greg Lux. You might have seen us on our socials before in a couple of videos here and there.
So I ambushed her. She's not a paid actress. Actually, technically she might be, but she's a longtime friend and she kills it here at H Greg. So we're gonna come and, like I said, have a little activation. I can't fully reveal what we're doing, but we're gonna meet with Ferris in a second and maybe I'll clue you in on what we've got going on. All right, so we just wrapped up at H Greg. Like I said, it's a top secret thing, but we'll announce it pretty soon. We're gonna head back to the headquarters because I think someone is there waiting for us already, so let's get on down there. What up?
Hey.
How you been?
Good, good. How are you?
Good. I hear you're in the market for some PPF.
Yes, absolutely.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
I think I got some stuff for you. Don't look at the special doorknob I had. All right, I think we're good to go. We're in Miami. We're big Messi fans. So, you know, we've got some different shades. Obviously, you can run the gamut on pinks. I got plenty more over here too.
Oh, that one's cool.
This guy.
It's like a satin, but also a shine to
Yeah,
it.
exactly. These guys, and then we've got some more like glossy ones. Attack, but you strike me as someone that likes something a little more creative. I think you were sending me some like glitter cars, so
Yes.
I think I have something a little cooler. So in this box, we have a special new color that we're actually gonna launch with Tay. She doesn't know this until, well, when she comes into frame, then she's gonna find out, obviously. But it's actually a Tiffany blue that fades into the metallic pink. So you guys are gonna be the first ones to ever see it. She hasn't even seen it in its full entirety, so.
Oh my
Is it
God.
pretty or not?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, and you can even see the little pink pearl. I could see myself driving this.
Yeah?
I love it.
Wait till the sun really hits it. I feel like that's when it's gonna shine, like literally. But you've never had this car PPF, you've only had it wrapped.
Never. I haven't done
So it's
anything
a virgin.
to it.
Oh,
Yeah,
this will be
it's
your
a
first thing.
virgin.
So we're popping your cherry. All right, so we just wrapped up quite a day here at EVOLV. Taylor told me she's got to go do some street racing or something or other, so she's got to go. So that's going to be the end for her. Hopefully not literally. But thank you for everything. Appreciate you. We're pretty, yeah, exactly. We're pretty happy that you volunteered your car. Hopefully it's in good hands.
Yes, it definitely is. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
You're the best. And thank you for all of my goodies.
Yep. EVOLVebrand.com. Bye, Taylor.